Hi all, I am Suchithra, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science at SNS College of Engineering. Today we are going to see about the topic of K-means clustering in business intelligence and analytics. In previous video we have seen the what is cluster analysis. In this video we are going to see about the K-means clustering. First we will see what is K-means clustering. The K-means clustering algorithm divides a set of n observations into K cluster. It's nothing but dividing the set of n observation into K cluster. Use K means cluster when you don't have existing group label and want to assign similar data points to the number of groups you specify. K means refers to the following: number of cluster you specify, the process of assigning observation to the cluster with nearest center mean. Business uses. The K cluster algorithm is used to find groups which have not been explicitly labeled in the data. This can be used to confirm business assumptions about what type of groups exist or to identify unknown groups in complex data sets. Once the algorithm has been run and the group are defined, any new data can be easily assigned to the correct group. This is a virtualized algorithm that can be used for any type of grouping. Some examples are use cases. Behavior segmentation. In that, segment by purchase history. Segment by activities on application, website or platform. Define person based on interest. Create profile based on activity monitoring. And the next one is inventory characterization. Group inventory by sales activity. Group inventory by manufacturing matrices. Sorting sensor measurements. Detect activity types in motion sensor. Group images, separate audio, identify group in health monitoring, detecting bolts on anomalies, separate valid activity group from bolts, group valid activity to clean up our outlier detection. How K-means clustering algorithm works. The K-means clustering algorithm finds observations in a dataset that are like each other and places them in a set. The process starts by randomly assigning each data point to an initial group and calculating the centroid for each one. A centroid is a center of a group. Note that some forms of procedure allow you to specify the initial sets. This is the architecture. Here we will be start from that flowchart. Then it will be go to elbow point, that is K. Then after that it will measure the distance. Then grouping based on minimum distance. Then repositioning the centroids. In that, if the clusters are unstable, again it will go to the measure the distance. If the clusters are then stable, it will convergence. Then the algorithm continues as follows. It evaluates each observation, assigning it to a closest cluster. The definition of closest is the Euclidean distance between a data point and group centroid is shorter than the distance to the another centroid. When cluster gain or lose a data point, the K-means cluster or algorithm recalculates its centroid. The algorithm repeats until it can no longer assign data point to their closest set. Thank you everyone.